When comparing Synthesia and HeyGen for creating AI avatar videos, both platforms make it easy to turn written scripts into professional videos without cameras or actors. Synthesia is built with enterprise training and internal communication in mind. It supports over 100 languages, offers custom avatars that resemble real people, and integrates smoothly with learning management systems. Its interface feels refined, making it ideal for structured, brand-consistent content that can be scaled across departments or regions. HeyGen, meanwhile, focuses more on marketing, social media, and quick video production. It provides highly realistic avatars, fast rendering times, and simple editing tools that work well for short promotional clips or personalized messages. When it comes to usability, HeyGen is faster to learn and better suited for creative teams that want quick turnaround. The workflow is intuitive and templates are flexible. However, longer videos and advanced customization can become expensive since many features are tied to higher pricing tiers. Synthesia takes a little more setup, but once configured, it delivers consistent output quality and more control over brand presentation. Its editor allows you to manage scenes, transitions, and localized versions of a video efficiently. For teams creating employee training or product walkthroughs, that extra structure can save time in the long run. Scalability is where the two tools differ most. Synthesia is designed for large teams that produce a steady flow of content. Its centralized management, custom avatars, and multi-language support make it a strong fit for organizations training global workforces. HeyGen, while capable of handling team projects, is better for smaller marketing groups that need flexibility and don't rely on deep integrations. It performs best when speed and creativity matter more than system-wide consistency. For businesses focused on formal training, brand alignment, and global reach, Synthesia is the stronger choice. It offers the reliability and professional polish that larger organizations need. For creative professionals producing marketing videos or social campaigns, HeyGen delivers more agility and visual variety. Both platforms create impressive AI avatar content, but Synthesia fits long-term structured communication, while HeyGen excels at fast, engaging storytelling.